Last night, around 10:30, I went outside up front hunting for moths near the Rose of Sharon, and look what I saw. All these doodles in the sky are trails left behind by said moths, and I would assume that some of the bigger trails are left behind by hawk moths and some of the larger ones. So I got back up early this morning and I managed to get pictures of the hawk moth pollinating the Rose of Sharon. But last night I got Mother Nature's Doodles in the night sky. The little Sony was set on program mode. The ISO for many of these pictures was about 1600. I think I had it set on auto and no flash, but with a big lamplight aimed at the Rose of Sharon. I didn't use the tripod, so shaky is part of what created these trails. I think I could do better though, so I'm going to try different strategies in the near future. Gotcha. Along with the garbage man at 6:20.